Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show to make this Halloween loading animation with After Effects and Element 3D. Let's get started. So friends, after finish video, I will share all the online files. So first of all, let's create new solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid. And add name Element 3D. And color background black. And click OK. Then go to FX, Video Copilot and Element. And go to Scene Setup. And go to Import. And let's select this Good Jack. We can see here which files we can use. Cinema 4D, OBJ and Element 3D. Okay, my file is Cinema 4D file. So let's click Open. Click OK. Nice. And let's move the app. Then go to Presets, Environment and Backlight Environments. Let's use this backlight. Okay. And open Materials, Physicals, and let's open here Materials. Let's use bright light for this inside color. Nice. Then select this Good Jack. We have problems on this part. Let's select this Good Jack model and let's go to here. Change normals, auto normals. Nice. Then select this bright light and for close this part, select bright light and go to down. Click this checkbox, drop back face. Nice. So let's select this paint red and use for this outside and select outside. Let's change diffuse color to yellow. Okay. And change diffuse like this. And reflection. Okay, not bad. Then let's use paint red for this stem and select this paint red, change diffuse color to green. Okay, that's good. So let's click OK. Okay, let's go to group 1 and open aux channels. Let's back to scene setup again. Select this Good Jack, select this actual animation channel 1, click OK and open aux channels channel 1 and we can animate it here, this pumpkin. Okay, so let's change scale and move it down, open rotation, change rotation like this. Okay, that's good. So let's change scale 0 and make new scale keyframe. Go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut, you can use Hold Shift, press page down in the keyboard or click here, right here plus 10, click OK. And for C keyframes, select this Element 3D solid layer, press U. OK. And let's change scale 0.25. Go to 10 keyframe again, change this 17. Go to again 10 keyframe, change this 21, go to again 10 keyframe, change 19, and go to again 10 keyframe, change 20. Let's select keyframes, make easy, and let's animation. Okay, not bad. So go to here and let's change rotation 0, make new rotation keyframe. Again press U for see new keyframes and go to here. Let's change rotation like this. Go to here, try change rotation like this, and here change like this. Select keyframes, make easy. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So select this keyframe, move to right and this. Okay, go to here, make new rotation keyframe here. This is rotation Z, and let's double click U for see new keyframes. Okay, and let's try to change this 75. Go to here, change like this, and go to here, change 5, and here change 0. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice. And let's move to left these rotation keyframes. Okay, that's good. So our animation is done, and let's close keyframe settings. Then let's create loading background. Let's right mouse, new and solid layer, and add name elements. Click OK. Go to shape layers. Let's click rectangle tool and make one rectangle like this. Click selection tool and select this mask one. Go to again rectangle tool, make again line like this. Click selection tool and select this mask tool, change subtract. Okay, let's go to solo. Let's click this for see background. Okay, that's good. So let's create new solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid, and add name element 3D elements. Click OK and go to FX. Select this element here from video copilot, and let's select these elements, hide layer. Select element 3D layer. Go to custom layers. Open custom text and mask. Select path 1. Select here elements. Go to scene setup and click extrude. Okay, nice. Let's change bevel scale and path expand. Let's change like this. Okay, not bad. So back to presets and physicals. Let's use black glass. Nice. And in this time, let's go to create. Let's select this cube and select this scale tool. Let's change scale like this. Okay, select this two object and click move tool. Let's move to up. Okay, and select this box. Let's move to left. Okay, let's go to perspective and select this front and select this scale. Let's change scale like this, and I want to duplicate these 10 cubes. Let's Control D, move to right, and let's Control D again, move to right, and again, and again. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, select these all box models and let's move to left. Okay, back to perspective. Nice. And let's use bright lights for these objects. Okay, and click OK. Let's select black background and select element 3D. Then open group 1 and create group null. Okay, and let's move to down. Select this element 3D, move up here. Nice. Let's select this group and move to behind. Okay, select this element. Okay, let's press S, change scale, and move to here. Let's see. Nice. And in this time, let's press P make new patching keyframe, and go to here and move to right. Select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Okay, go to graph editor. Let's make smooth graph. Nice. So back to keyframes and select these element layers. Go to scene setup. And let's select this box 1. Change aux channel 1. And select this box. Select aux channel 2 and box 3. Select channel 3 and this channel 4 and this channel 5 and this channel 6 and this channel 7, channel 8, channel 9, and finally channel 10, and click OK. So in this time, go to here and let's open aux channels. Open channel 1 and scale. Let's change 0. Let's see. Okay, and make scale keyframe. Go to here, change scale 1. Let's select this element 3D, press U, select keyframes. Let's move to right here. Let's move to right. Okay, that's good. And let's open channel 2, change scale 0, and make scale keyframe. Go to here, change scale 1. Let's see. Okay, let's press U. Again press U for see all keyframes. Nice. And in this time, open channel 3, change scale 0, make scale keyframe, and go to here, change scale 1. Let's see. Okay, again press U and again press. Let's select keyframes, make easies. Let's see animation. Okay, that's good. So in this time, open channel 4, change scale 0, make scale keyframe, go to here, change scale 1. Let's double click U for see new keyframes and select these keyframes. Let's move to left. Nice. And let's select these publishing keyframes, go to graph editor. Let's make graph like this. Okay. Let's select these keyframes. Move to left here. And this move to left. And this and this. So this timing very important for better animation. Okay, that's good. Let's move to right these keyframes. Make easies. Okay, let's open channel 5, change scale 0, make scale keyframe, go to here, change scale 1. Let's press U for see timing. Okay, let's move to left, make easies. Nice. And channel 6, change scale 0, make scale keyframe, go to here, change 1 and press U, make easies. Let's move to left. Okay, that's good. And open channel 7, change scale 0, make scale keyframe, go to here, change 1, and go to here, open channel 8, change scale 0, make scale keyframe, go to here, change 1, and open channel 9, change scale 0, make scale keyframe, go to here, change 1, and open channel 10, change scale 0, make keyframe, go to here, change 1. Let's press U for see keyframes. Okay, select keyframes, make easies. Okay, select these keyframes, move to left, and select these keyframes, move to left, and let's select this pumpkin keyframe, go to here and hold shift press S, make scale keyframe, go to here, change scale 0, make keyframes easies. Let's see. Nice. Let's move to right. Okay, that's good. So let's select this element 3D and press U. Okay, and make rotation keyframe, go to here, change rotation like this, and go to here, change left. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And in this time, change rotation like this. Okay, not bad. So let's select this work area and right mouse, select trim, come to work area and close keyframes. Go to effects presets, search effect glow. Select this glow, let's use for this element 3D and change glow like this. Okay, let's create new background, right mouse, new and solid, add name background, click OK, move to behind, go to effects presets, search effect gradient ramp, select this gradient ramp, let's use for this background and change linear ramp to radial ramp and click swap colors, open this start color, change to black and this. Okay, and let's click swap colors like this, click again swap colors, change this to black. Okay, not bad. So let's search effect glow again, select this glow, let's use for element 3D elements and change glow like this. Okay, that's good. So select all layers, click motion blur and let's see with motion blur. Okay, that's good. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.